to edit a design in embroidery with the Bernina 990.
Let's start by choosing a design to work with from the Flowers folder. Tap and hold on the design in the selection area to see more information on a particular design, such as the stitch time, stitch count, thread colors, and more. The design always opens in the hoop closest to the size of the design. In Edit, you have many options. You can move the design using the multifunction knobs or directly on the screen. Remember, tap on the value to return to the default setting. Here, you can also center the design in the hoop. You can rotate using the multifunction knobs in the Edit screen by selecting the 45-degree increments or by using the rotate handle on the bounding box. Resize also works with the multifunction knobs or the buttons in the Edit menu, either proportionately or non-proportionately. Moving the side points will change the size non-proportionately, and moving the corner points will change the design proportionately. Duplicate will create a copy of whatever is selected. There's a new layer added to the layer bar. Tap Delete to remove a selected layer and confirm with the green check. You can mirror image both left and right, or up and down, or both. Stitch density gives you the flexibility to adjust the thread density if you want to work with different thread weights or fabric thicknesses. Undo is a great tool if you want to return quickly to a previous setting. When you open the Color tool, there are several options. You can select your favorite thread brand, and the design's colors will be converted to that brand. You can also change a color individually by selecting it directly or by searching a color number. Scroll through the colors to see how they look within the design. Use the color wheel to recolor design individually by using the nodes, or all at once using the slider around the outside edge. Simply select a node and move it to another color, or use the slider to see your design in a completely different color scheme. The brightness can also be adjusted. Notice the thread color numbers changing on the color palette. Not happy with your choice? It's easy to return to default. Gestures are very useful in embroidery. Tap and drag is useful to rotate and also to move the design in the hoop. This is different to tapping on the corners to enlarge. Tap and hold on the design to open the context menu. This gives you quick access to functions such as lock and select all. Don't forget undo redo to return to a previous screen. You can use 2 fingers to move apart and zoom in, or zoom out with moving together. So many options are available to create the perfect embroidery design on the Bernina 990.
Bernina, made to create.